Hello friends, editing Megan here, and also voiceover Megan. Yeah, so my mic battery died, and I didn't realize that until it started editing. So I'm going to speed this part up. Long story short, I'm trying to use this really pretty window cling again to get that rainbow effect. Sorry if you can hear the helicopter. I live next to an Air Force base. Anyway, and this time I'm not going to use any kind of silicone. I'm just using my heat gun. So I'm going to draw a circle, fill it in, and then regular Megan with an actual working mic will be back to unmold. So hope you guys enjoy. Alright friends, hopefully you can hear me okay. Don't mind the kids playing in the background. This is all cured up. I'm really nervous, actually, to try and get this off. So let's see if I can do it. Oh, I think the hot glue may have melted it. Alright, let's pause that. Okay. The hot glue is not going anywhere, but I managed to get the resin piece out. Isn't that pretty? So yeah, this method kind of worked. Pretty sure what happened is because my hot glue gun is a high temperature one, it won't come off. Anyway, so this one wasn't a complete fail. I do have some cleanup to do, like around these edges and stuff, and then what I'm probably gonna do is make some sort of frame for it somehow so that it can be hung up in a window. Oh, I just had a really great idea with some embroidery hoops. That might work. Anyway, I finally got it to work, kind of. And this isn't going to be difficult to clean up, you know. You just cut these pieces off with scissors, see? Boom, quick and easy. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching me do yet another resin almost fail. So yeah, if you like watching people struggle and have fun, stick around by clicking the subscribe button. Alright. Have a great day.